To establish the Nawafil voluntary prayers on the night of Qadr is a part of faith. Narrated by Abu Huraira Raziallahu Anha. Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Whoever establishes the prayer on the night of Qadr out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, not to show off, then all of his past sins will be forgiven." Number 2. Narrated by Ubadah bin As-Samit. Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went out to inform the people about the date of the night of decree, Al-Qadr. But there happened a quarrel between two Muslim men. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "I came out to inform you about the date of the night of Al-Qadr. But as so and so and so and so quarreled, its knowledge was taken away. I forgot it, and maybe it was better for you. Now look for it in the 7th, the 9th, and the 5th of the last 10 nights of the month of Ramadan."